Hello, in this video I will give you some pizza toppings idea. I will make the pizza quickly and then I will let you have a closer look at the toppings. It's going to be a pizza bianca, so I will use the trick of the wet hand on the surface. And here come the toppings. Now, while the pizza cooks in the oven, I can tell you what I put. I put first some pastrami. This is some regular pastrami. This is not the best I could find. It's pretty lean, but still, you can just head to the best deli and buy a better one. I also added some spinach. Mine were frozen, but you can just have some fresh spinach. You cook them quickly in boiling water, 2 or 3 minutes will be more than enough, and you top your pizza. Finally, the pretty thing of today is this one. Can you see it? They look like a little drop. In fact, they are called teardrop peppers. They are pretty good. They come from Peru, I think, from some Central America anyway. They are a little bit sweet, so they match pretty well with the spinach, but they are also a little bit tangy, and so they will match pretty well with the pastrami. The 3 toppings together will give a pretty good tasting pizza. Here we are, the pizza is ready. Look how beautiful it is. I will show it to you closer. Hope you like it. Try it if you can and let me know what you think in the comments down here. Now I cut it and I eat it. Ciao!